Hare Krishna. Chapter 1. Observing the armies on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Text 2. Sanjaya Uvacha Drishtva tu Pandavanikam Vyudham Duryodhanastada Acharyam Upasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit. Synonyms. Sanjaya Uvacha said, Drishtva after seeing, tu but, Pandavanikam the soldiers of the Pandavas, Vyudham arranged in military flanks, Duryodhana King Duryodhana, Tada at that time, Acharyam the teacher, Upasangamya approaching nearby, Raja the king, Vachanam words, Abravit spoke. Translation. Sanjaya said, O king, after looking over the army gathered by the sons of Pandu, King Duryodhana went to his teacher and began to speak the following words. Purport. Dhritarashtra was blind from birth. Unfortunately, he was also bereft of spiritual vision. He knew very well that his sons were equally blind in the matter of religion, and he was sure that they could never reach an understanding with the Pandavas, who were all pious since birth. Still, he was doubtful about the influence of the place of pilgrimage, and Sanjaya could understand his motive in asking about the situation on the battlefield. He wanted therefore to encourage the despondent king, and thus he warned him that his sons were not going to make any sort of compromise under the influence of the holy place. Sanjaya therefore informed the king that his son Duryodhana, after seeing the military force of the Pandavas, at once went to the commander-in-chief Dronacharya to inform him of the real position. Although Duryodhana is mentioned as a king, he still had to go to the commander on account of the seriousness of the situation. He was therefore quite fit to be a politician, but Duryodhana's diplomatic veneer could not disguise the fear he felt when he saw the military arrangement of the Pandavas. Hare Krishna. Text 3. Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudam Drupada Putrena Tava Sishyena Dhimataha. Synonyms. Pasya, behold, etam, this, Panduputranam, of the sons of Pandu, Acharya, of O teacher, Mahatim, great, Chamum, military force, Vyudham, arranged, Drupada Putrena, by the son of Drupada, Tava, your, Sisyena, disciple, Dhimata, very intelligent. Translation. O my teacher, behold, the great army of the sons of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada. Purport. Duryodhana, a great diplomat, wanted to point out the defects of Dronacharya, the great Brahmana commander-in-chief. Dronacharya had some political quarrel with King Drupada, the father of Draupadi, who was Arjuna's wife. As a result of this quarrel, Drupada performed a great sacrifice by which he received the benediction of having a son who would be able to kill Dronacharya. Dronacharya knew this perfectly well, and yet, as a liberal Brahmana, he did not hesitate to impart all his military secrets when the son of Drupada, Drishtyumna, was entrusted to him for military education. Now, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Drishtyumna took the side of the Pandavas, and it was he who arranged for their military flanks. After having learned the art from Dronacharya, Duryodhana pointed out this mistake of Dronacharya's so that he might be alert and uncompromising in the fighting. By this, he wanted to point out also that he should not be similarly lenient in battle against the Pandavas, who were also Dronacharya's affectionate students. Arjuna especially was his most affectionate and brilliant student, Duryodhana also warned that such leniency in the fight would lead to defeat. Hare Krishna.